heavy titanium tank is crushed flat, like a soda can beneath a heavy boot. 7 miles down, the darkness is absolute, but something is screaming through the black water. In March 2026, a research vessel recorded a signal that glitched every geological model. The hydrophones didn't capture a natural groan. They caught a mechanical pulse from the abyss. It was a rhythmic, 3-second burst, repeating with the precision of an atomic clock. At 36,000 feet deep, nothing biological should be able to trigger this sound. Scientists on the Investigator watched the signal, vibrating the ship's hull through miles of water. This wasn't a glitch in the sensors. It was the ocean floor broadcasting a message. We have better maps of the moon than the floor of the Tonga Trench. The pressure down there is 8 tons per square inch, enough to erase a submarine. Yet, someone has built a permanent, high-tech structure within that crushing black environment. Autonomous drones detected heat blooms moving in a strange geometric pattern across the seabed. The sonar feed revealed the impossible as the technician adjusted the frequency for the crew. Massive, slab-like monoliths stretched across the trench floor for 50 miles in total length. These were not jagged rocks, but perfectly flat structures the size of aircraft carriers. The sonar pings bounced back with a metallic clarity, indicating a purely non-biological origin. Nature does not create 90-degree angles on a scale that spans several hundred football fields. The Investigator's data proved these monoliths weren't just sitting there, they were firmly anchored. Magnetic sensors began to redline, detecting a massive electromagnetic field radiating from the center. No known power source can function under that pressure, unless it belongs to someone else. Soil samples from the site contained metallic alloys, scrubbed from any known scientific catalog. It was as if someone added new elements, completely bypassing the modern periodic table. A secret military project would cost trillions, and the Navy has no record of construction. Every human explanation for this grid hits a brick wall of cold, hard physics. As the drones approached the primary slab, the pulse suddenly changed its rhythmic timing. The 11-minute interval dropped to 5, vibrating the drones with a violent, physical force. One multi-million-dollar drone abruptly lost power and vanished from the radar. The last frame of video showed a distortion in the water, like a shimmering glitch. There were no lights or mechanical arms, just a sudden, silent displacement of the abyss. Recovered drones were found covered in microscopic, laser-precise symbols, burned into the titanium. Within 6 hours, the Investigator was ordered to leave by a government directive. The official report blamed seismic activity, but leak telemetry tells a much darker story. 3 U.S. fast-attack submarines were tracked, moving toward the trench immediately after the discovery. This wasn't a rescue mission. It was a race to secure a prehistoric communication array. Researchers now fear this is not a ruin, but an active, functioning deep-sea facility. If the pulses are signals, the question isn't what they say, but who is listening. Similar geological glitches have been spotted in the Mariana Trench and the Philippine Abyss. We spent decades looking at the stars, ignoring the metallic frontier right beneath us. The March 2026 data proves the ocean floor is actually a high-tech grid. This level of engineering makes our modern skyscrapers look like simple wooden toys. Every time that pulse beats, it reminds us we are not the primary owners. The entities sending these signals have no interest in being found by those above. The recording supposedly contains voices buried deep within the low-frequency metallic vibrations. You can't erase a 50-mile grid or ignore a signal that shakes the entire Earth. If you enjoy exploring mysteries like this, Make sure to subscribe for more unexplained discoveries.